what is the least money that I can use me as a beginner to trade?
Okay. The least money as a beginner you can use to trade is the money that you can afford to lose.
So basic forex is what you can afford.
What the money you should invest cannot be your father or invest it. Maybe area. Okay, take yani afford course. Doge risk kendo utakuwa afford course. Na ule kulingana na bia ile ati kwa jina sio bele kile muno. Nafaa kuanza na pesa ngapi?
Si ndio juu basic tushajua ni internet. Okay, niko na internet. Niko na simu ama laptop.
Niko na smartphone.
Sasa pesa ni gapi
tunaipeleka? Sasa pesa ni ile sasa wewe unaweza kuvumilia ukipoteza. Okay, ningotaka rube pale jile. Na bia nini? Yaktaga taruhiro ajora.
Okay.
It can cut on both sides. Nego? It could cut on both sides. No get a lot of money and no lose a lot of money for the same. Nego? No, with knowledge, you can gain. But they are profitable trader. The model when a consistent wins more than losses.
Okay.
For instance, according to my knowledge, forex here. Na beginners ni mami underestimate muno.
In what terms?
Na ni mami overestimate muno. Forex is a scam. Adaike mogaga kumenya hau niho ukaga.
Sasa bwana unaniona wewe. Usikanione hivyo.
Forex is not a scam.
It's not scam.
Wait anything. And they are overpromised by the online.
Tunaona kimuna flex na BMW na ma Audi. Kuna cheli. Kilo Vogue. Nyinyi washeni mchezo msikatupatie pressure.
They are promised.
Yeah. It's true, we are overpromised.
But they are not given the right knowledge.
Okay.
They don't know risk management. But they makigira trading or makigira in the name of making profit. No material ni kuli losses.
Okay.
Na how ni hoyeda
it's like a normal business.
Yeah, it's like a normal business like any other. Yeah.